Within the shipping department, we ensure that each door is individually wrapped using foam corners and a high micron polymer bag. This means that when it arrives on site, you can stand it up next to the opening and it will have enhanced protection before you've fitted it. Two important details from within our shipping department are the fact that we use wooden bearers as opposed to polystyrene, which we know can crush and compress and cause damage in transit. And we also use a high-tech heat seal strapping system with banding that does not stretch, meaning that your doors arrive safely on site. With lead times of 10 to 12 days, as well as fast-track options, let Strongdor be your competitive advantage, because Strongdor always delivers.